Hey guys, today we are gonna check out what's new in Filmora 14. Number 1 is the AI face mosaic feature. First of all, bring down the visual to the timeline. Now, go to Effects, click on Body Effects and add AI Classic Mosaic to the clip. Then, you can choose which all faces to blur, and also adjust the strength and opacity. Number 2 is the AI color palette. First of all, bring down the visual and also the reference photos to the timeline. Now, double tap on the visual, go to Colors and enable AI Color Palette. Then, choose the reference frame and click on Generate. You can also adjust the strength of the palette. Number 3 is the AI translation feature. First of all, bring down the visual to the timeline.
Simply, there's never going to be too much good in the world, but if that's what you think about every day, day in and day out, you're going to give the best version of it.
Now, go to Titles, choose AI Captions, and click on Translate. Choose your preferred type, language, and other settings, then click on Generate.
Einfach, es wird nie zu viel Gutes auf der Welt geben.
Aber wenn das ist, an das du jeden Tag denkst,
Tag für Tag wirst du geben.
die beste Version von dir selbst.
Number 4 is the planar tracking feature. First of all, bring down the visual to the timeline. Now, double-click on the visual and go to AI Tools. Then, enable planar tracking and adjust the frame along the path required. That's it for today. See you next time.